Hi guys, welcome to Moncton Diaries by Vanishan.
हाँ ये कर लो पहले बड़े लोग हैं पहले ऐसे करते होंगे
So today we are going to show you the very first snowstorm of 2022. And this snowstorm was massive, as you guys can see in the picture. We can't even see anything, and if you see this truck, it was full of snow. It started somewhere in the afternoon, and then it was like huge by the evening, and then it starts to snow, and it continues for the whole night. um I am not sure as of now what do I say, because we went crazy with this kind of snow, and it was like everywhere was just white and the snow was everywhere. The whole transportation system was shut. All the shops and the malls were closed before the time, and the banks were closed to like if they were supposed to close at 8, they were like shut by late noon or something like that. Grocery stores, everything. So the good part is, as they already knew it was coming, so uh, the whole state was prepared for it, kind of. But on the same hand, there were no transportation in this difficult hour, no cabs, no buses, nothing at all, because of the obvious reason. It was so heavy that it was not safe to drive at all, and you cannot even think of walking in this snow. So overall, it was a crazy experience, and but it went well because we reached home on a timely manner, and then we were just inside and just having fun. We couldn't afford to go out and do anything. We were just in our front yard and talking to these guys when we shot this video for you. And as you guys see, these were some huge big cars, and they were kind of struggling to go out in the snow, and it took them a few minutes to actually go out without drifting in the snow. It was a very different experience, and it was the first one for us, and I'm sure there were so many people like us, like first winter and a crazy snowstorm like this. So I think we will be prepared for anything that future has to offer. The winters this year. All right, he is all good to go now. Let's see what morning brings for us. Good morning, and this is the very next morning after the snowstorm. I was just recording from my bedroom window. It was like a fairy tale. We all see, so it's kind of a similar feeling. This is our front yard. Everything is covered in snow, as you can see. This guy is clearing the driveway for our neighbors, and this poor guy is doing it himself with the shovel. He was there the whole day, trust me. And now this is Ishan going for work. He's almost swimming in snow. I don't know if this is the right term to use. And over there was like all the snow gathered, and there were no buses for some time. All the buses stop on the day of storm in the evening. We even heard that few of the employees have to stay at their workplace for the whole night. So there were no transportation, guys. There were no cabs on the previous day when it was like the snowstorm. No cabs, no buses, nothing at all. So everything was closed, to be very honest. I mean, um, where I worked, they closed early. The whole mall got shut early. So because they knew that there will be no transportation to reach home for people like us. So, and this is the second snowstorm wherein Ishan is going for work again. But now we are pro. I mean, we have seen one snowstorm, so now he knows how to walk and how to take care of himself in such snow. So on second day, and this is me coming back from work after I think 2 days of the snowstorm. And as you can see, the whole alley is covered in snow. This is the walkway, but then there was some rain, so it is all frozen. I was walking very carefully, choosing every step of mine, and that's why I prefer to walk on the ice instead of the frozen black ice, because otherwise there is a good chance of falling. So I was just going on the white fresh snow. And okay guys, we'll see you in our next vlog. Until then, take care. Do like our channel, subscribe and share it with your friends. Bye.